Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode of Cooking with the Robies. Today, I'm always going to clean this bamoose. Another name for it is milkfish. We're going to be putting this out on the grill because she's preparing some stuff later. Mountain beans, I think, and we're going to grill this first. And then, after that, we'll put it all together. Alright, let's get with the cleaning. Alright, so let's get this grill started. Put a little bit of briquettes in here. I got my fire started. I'm gonna get that in there. Get that started, and we'll get back with you when this gets ready and get the fish on there. Oh, and this is just to let you guys know we're serious about our cooking. I'll show you, this is one of my smokers. It's a Brickman. This is what we're cooking on today. It's my Webber. And when I do the tocino video, I'll be cooking it over here on my Blackstone. Now I do have an offset smoker over here too. It's an Oklahoma Joe's offset smoker. And then I have my Nextel infrared 4-burner gas grill. But yeah, just thought I'd show our viewers the things we do have. I know I'll probably upgrade some things. But yeah, let's get back to getting this started and start this fish. Okay, and you can tell when your briquettes are going to be almost ready when you see the fire coming out the top. So let me throw one got away. Well, this should be ready in another 5 minutes. We're going to empty it out in the bottom, put the grill on, and get this fish cooking. Okay, that looks like it's going. Let's get these dumped out. And I'm putting it on one side because I want to have a 2-zone cooking area. So let's get the grill on. Okay, got my grill, got my coals all on one side. Now let it heat up. Let's get the fish on. Now let's get the fish on. I'm gonna cook it on this side, and then I'm gonna sear it on that side. So should be about 20 minutes. Put the top on. Now the key to cooking this, you want to put your open side of the grill on this side. That forces the heat to come out and go over the fish. Yeah, I can feel it already. Now we're going to take a look at it. Give her a little flip. I want to see the underside of it. Get this side done. Well, not done, but get some heat on that side. We'll get back to it later before I scoot it on the other side. Alright, it's been 5 minutes on that side. Now we're gonna put it on the other side. And then again, we're gonna put our grill on the same side that the meat's on, or the fish. Alright, so we can see I'm gonna flip it. We're gonna flip it on the other side. Now that it's on the direct heat side. Now we'll get the other side going. Put the top back on. Looking good though. Gonna do another 5 minutes on there, and then flip it one more time. I want it a little more brown, the skin more crunchy. All right, 5 more minutes. We're gonna check it again. Alright, one more time on this side. Looking good. Say hi to everybody. Say hello.
Hello.
That's my little son. But let's go ahead and put the top back on. It's looking good. Just how my wife wanted it. 5 minutes on that side, then I'm going to move it to the other side to finish off. Alright, we're going to get this top off. We're going to see what the bottom side looks like. A little longer. Yeah, we'll go a little longer. Okay, Matt, they see you. Back up, son. Yeah, we'll go a little longer. Alright, let's check her one more time. Gonna flip it. I said I was gonna move it to the other side, but I'm not. I'm just gonna go ahead and grill this fish on this side, on the hot side. Come on, get out of there. There we go. Yeah, got 5 more minutes and I think it'll be done. Okay, now I'm just gonna check it for doneness. Pretty sure we're done. Oh yeah, it's done. Alright, so it's done. Let's get her out of here. Get it on a plate. Take it in the house. Alright, we got it in the house. Just waiting for the holder to cool off before I take it out. Because it's just off the grill. Alright.